Welcome to Boutir Tutorials. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to use the one-click share button in your online store. For better experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. This video will consist of two points of view, which is the seller's point of view via the app and also the customer's point of view in your online store. Firstly, for the seller's point of view, launch your Boutir app to start. Then, in your home page, you'll see the Products button in the bottom of your app. Click on it. In the Products page, click on the Share button. You will then see options to share your products. Click on WhatsApp to easily send a message to your customers. Then, insert the number you wish to send it to. Click Send. It will then redirect you to WhatsApp where you can double-check the details before sending. Next, from the customer's point of view, they will be opening your online store. Then, they will select the products that they want and click on it. In your product page, there will be a share button next to the price. Click on it. They will then be given options to share it via different platforms. If they choose WhatsApp, they will be immediately directed to the app to share the products to their contacts. Unlike the seller's message where it shares with the descriptions of the items, customers will be able to share the link and the title of the products only. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.